So here we got the passwords successfully, as you can see on the screen. So hello guys, welcome back in my new video, and today's video I will show you how to use Nmap and Hydra to test your security system, find weakness and check for open login portals. Remember, this is for ethical testing only. Always have permission before scanning a system. Okay. So in today's topic, I will use my Kali, which is another OS. Okay. And by my Parrot, I will find vulnerabilities in my Kali machine, and then I will enter in that particular machine. So basically, gaining access with using Nmap and Hydra tools. So for that, first we need to check if a target is reachable. We can use ping command. Okay, before scanning we need to check if the target system is online and responding. For that we are using ping command. Ping sends the test packets, okay, to check if the target responds. Here -c4 sends 4 packets instead of running indefinitely. Okay, and the target IP is there. Okay, if the system is online, it will reply 64 bits as usual. You can see the screen. Now step 2, for open ports and services, Nmap service detection scan. Okay, so we will use a Nmap scan here. Here Nmap runs the scan, and we will use -sv. So -sv stands for detect services running, okay, on any ports, and open ports are there. Okay, how, what are the services which are running, it will be shown there, but I am specifying with the particular ports here, which are 22, 21 and 80. Okay, scan specific ports. Okay, so for 22, port 22 is for SSH, and port 21 is for FTP, and port 80 for HTTP. As you can see, all three of them are open here. Okay, so Nmap will show open ports and their services version, like you can see in the screen. Okay, and the OS version is also seen here. This tells us SSH, FTP and web server are running. Now we will use FTP login manually. If FTP is open, we can try logging in. Okay, but see, here it's asking for the username and password. If it didn't ask, in some systems you will get login directly, it will write login successful, but it's asking for name, username, password, which shows that it requires password and a username. Okay, so for that we will do another thing here. If it asks for username and password, we will try Hydra next. Okay, so what is Hydra? First you need to know that. Understanding Hydra. Okay, basically Hydra is a brute force attack tool that guesses password before using. Let's check available options. By using Hydra-H, you can see the list of available options are there, the manual pages are there. You can also check that, you can read it particular way to gain gist of knowledge. Okay, it helps listing Hydra features including supported protocols, how to specify username and password, list how to control brute force speed. Okay, now let's use Hydra in action. We will use it, but before that we will be using the evading firewall with Nmap decoy scan. We have done here, which you can see the open ports are again seen by the decoy scan. Okay, now if I use trying SSH login, which uses SSH Kali, which is the username, at the IP. Okay, SSH is a secure shell login command, Kali is the username, and the IP is the target IP. The expected output, if we know the password, we will get access. If not, we will use Hydra to brute force it. Okay, as you are seeing in the screen, brute forcing is quite tough. It can take much more time. See, the password is not with us, it's asking for the password, but I'm showing the commands manually as the things how it will work. Now we will do the brute force part. Okay, if we don't know the password, the SSH password, we can use Hydra to try multiple passwords from a list, and if one of them matches, then we will know the particular password. Here instead of username, we will write our username, which is Kali. Okay, here the command is like Hydra-l Kali-p pass.txt, and then SSH colon slash slash then the IP. Here Hydra runs the brute force attack dash L Kali tries the username which is Kali, and dash P pass.text is nothing, uses a pass.text as a password list. Pass.text is just a password list. Okay, and SSH colon double slash the IP targets the SSH service to the given IP. As you can see, the host is there, the login username is there, and the password is there with us. Okay, we got the exact password. Okay, see, so Hydra will try multiple times. It has tried, and then we have got that. Now what we can do, we can use again the SSH command or FTP command to gain access. For using it, we can use just write SSH, which is a secured shell, and we can then write the username, which is Kali at the rate the IP. Okay, so here is the IP. Now it's asking for the password. We can give that particular password which we have seen there. We have brute force that, and see, we have successfully gained the access here, and the Kali terminal is here. Now we are inside that particular OS. If we do ls, then the directories are shown here. So we have done it ethically, as I have shown it for a practical purpose, so that you can get an idea. Okay, don't use it in a unethical way. Okay, so basically if we do ls, and then here is a directory which is Nmap. Okay, so what did we learn today? How to check if a target is online with ping command. Firstly, we have seen that. Then we have seen how to scan open ports and services using Nmap. Then we have seen how to connect to FTP and SSH manually. After that, we have used another decoy scanning command from Nmap, how to evade firewalls. Okay, to evade firewalls with decoy scanning. And then we have used brute force. Okay, how to brute force SSH password using Hydra. We have learned this. Okay, so a nano text file is also there. We can access everything of that particular system. So for going back, we can do cd tilde, and then in desktop, if I want to delete any type of file directory, like here it's Piyush, so I can write the command, and I can also delete that. Okay, so I have gained the whole access to that particular OS. Okay, so hopefully we learned something new. So for getting back, or you can write here just exit. Okay, so if we write exit here, then we will back to our parrot terminal. Okay, so hopefully you learned something new. If you learned something new, then like and subscribe. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye.